classic horror movie from 1974. I think we would both recommend.
Tiny little movie no one's ever heard of.
Called The Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Mm.
Guillermo del Toro became a vegetarian after seeing this movie. Because at the time, it was very, very disturbing, and still is.
It still is disturbing. Incredibly horrific, scary scenes that are very memorable.
You know that house is full of killers, and they're like, "Hey, we need some help." Not.
Terrified. The rest
In
of the
haunted house.
movie.
Her character's really adept at jumping through windows.
Even from the hallway, wouldn't this place really stink?
They said that house smelled so bad.
Why would you go in there? I'll see you back at the van, buddy. You know, not going in there. I don't know how much more of this I can really take. You're all gonna die up there.
It's
And
so disturbing.
Look what your brother did to that door.
Start the car